knew that a long time had passed since I gave this car any real attention, but I didn't realize it had been 13 years. It was the last time I started the engine after reinstalling the newly machined cylinder head. Before I try to start it again, there are some basic fluid changes that I need to do. This oil is fresh looking, and technically it has 0 miles on it, but it's been sitting in this 1.5 liter motor since 2009. It's still clear with a slight amber color, but I doubt it could lubricate the internal parts very well anymore. The 210 is still up on concrete blocks, so getting underneath is a breeze. I must have changed the oil in this car 40 or 50 times. It's funny how this procedure all comes back to me even more than a decade later. I put this car through hell when I was a kid. Look at that dent in the front of the oil pan. I don't even remember how that happened. Teenage and 20-something-year-old boys have higher insurance premiums for a reason. You can see some of the work I've done underneath here. New suspension bushings, rust removal, and some fresh paint. The old filter comes off, a new one goes on, and I'm nearly finished. There are still so many things to do before the 210 will run again, but I'm making progress. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.